Hi! Oh no! What a mess! Have you seen my face? What's on my face? Flour and tomato sauce. What do you think I've been cooking? I'll give you a clue. I've been rolling something with a rolling pin. Do you know? I've been making a pizza. I'm making a pizza for my friends because they're coming over to my house in a little bit. And this morning, I also made some soup. I put a big pot on the stove and filled it with water. And once the water started boiling, because it was really hot and bubbles up, that is when it's boiling. Then I added some vegetables and some noodles. So I love cooking so much, but one of my problems is that I always forget when I have to take things out of the oven. And sometimes they get burnt. So I'm going to make sure that I don't let my pizza burn, because when it burns, it's all black and it doesn't taste very good. Now, today you're going to listen to a story called Sarah Learns to Cook. In the story, Sarah learns how to cook different foods with her sister. Do you think that Sarah burns something? Do you think she gets messy like me with flour and tomato sauce? What do you think she's going to cook? Now that you have listened to the story, and before you complete exercise 6, let's look at the pictures together. Remember that in exercise 6, you're going to put the pictures in the story in order. And don't forget, we cook first and then we clean up. In this first picture, we see someone using a rolling pin to roll something. It looks like they're making cookies. In this second picture, we see Sarah with a tray full of cookies that just came out of the oven. And in this third picture, we see Sarah and her little sister. Oh no! Sarah has flour on her face and on her hands, just like me. Here, in picture number 1, where we see the number 1, we see Sarah and her big sister, and they're holding vegetables in their hand. We have a pepper and tomato and lettuce. Maybe they're going to make a salad. In this picture, we see Sarah with a bowl. We mix things inside a bowl. Here, we see Sarah and her big sister using a knife to cut vegetables. And here in this picture, we see all 3 sisters cleaning up the kitchen. In this picture, we see a pot of boiling water with some pasta. And here we see Sarah eating the cooked pasta. And finally, our last picture has Sarah and her big sister taking something out of the oven. Oh no, they burnt it. All right, now that you've seen all of these pictures with me, listen to the recording and put them in order. Good luck and goodbye.